When you search for the best indoor cycling bike, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, but to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Merock Exercise Bike. The Merock Exercise Bike, priced at $269.99. This bike caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive stability for a home exercise bike. If you want a quiet, smooth ride that supports your fitness journey, this is worth a serious look. The Merock bike features a self-developed app that syncs with Google Fit and Apple Health, allowing you to track real-time metrics like distance, time, and calories burned. This matters because it gives you insight into your progress, helping you stay motivated and on track. Its whisper-quiet magnetic resistance means you can pedal away without disturbing anyone, making it perfect for apartments. Plus, with a weight capacity of 300 pounds and a reinforced frame, you can feel secure during your workouts. Now, some people have mentioned that the bike can feel a bit bulky due to its sturdy design. But here's the thing, if you're looking for stability and don't mind a little extra weight, this is actually a benefit. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your fitness goals and want a reliable machine that grows with you. Skip this one if you have a super small space, as it does take up a bit of room, but for the price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the size of the Merock bike bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Merock Budget Bike. Another from Merock. This budget-friendly option comes in at $199.99. I was impressed by the features offered at this price point. If you're looking for a solid bike without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. This model also connects to the Merock app, which lets you track your fitness journey just like its pricier counterpart. The quiet, smooth ride is achieved thanks to its belt-driven system that keeps noise levels below 25 decibels. This is especially great for anyone who wants to exercise early in the morning or late at night without waking up the household. However, some users pointed out that the assembly instructions could be clearer. But honestly, as someone who has tackled many home assembly projects, it's manageable with a little patience. This bike is perfect for those who are new to indoor cycling and want to ease into a fitness routine without a hefty investment. Skip this if you need advanced features or a super high weight capacity, but for the price, it offers excellent value for money. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a compact design.
Product number 3, Yosuda Exercise Bike, priced at $189.99. This bike really caught my eye because of its strong build quality and features that cater to convenience. If you want a bike that delivers both durability and functionality for your workout, this one deserves your attention. The Yosuda bike boasts a 25 pounds flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame, ensuring stability during intense workouts. The belt-driven system is not only quieter, but also smoother, minimizing disruptions. The adjustable pedals and handlebars are a big plus, allowing you to customize your fit, which is crucial for comfort during long rides. However, a few reviews mention that the ride can feel a bit stiff for beginners, but I think this is a good thing for those looking to push themselves more as they progress. This bike is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, no-frills exercise bike that performs well. Skip this if you're looking for something with high-tech features or advanced tracking, but for its price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something with even more weight capacity, the next product might suit you better.
Product number 4, YPO Exercise Bike. The YPO Exercise Bike, available for $169.99. I found this bike interesting due to its combination of comfort and tech features. If you want an affordable bike that doesn't skimp on comfort, this could be the one for you. With adjustable magnetic resistance, the YPO bike allows you to tailor your workouts from light to intense. The extra large weight capacity of 330 pounds means it's built to accommodate a wide range of users. Plus, the comfortable seat ensures you can ride longer without discomfort, which is crucial if you're pushing through an intense session. However, some people reported that the app connectivity can be a bit finicky. But honestly, if you're mainly riding for fitness rather than competition, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable bike that offers great comfort and stability. Skip this if you need advanced op features, but at this price, you're getting a great bike. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's still solid, the next bike might catch your interest.
Product number 5, ReLife Rebuild Your Life Exercise Bike. We have the ReLife Rebuild Your Life Exercise Bike, priced at just $116.44. This is a fantastic budget option if you're just starting out and want to try indoor cycling without a hefty commitment. If you want a no-frills bike to get you moving, this is worth a look. This bike offers a silent belt drive, which means you can exercise without disturbing others. It features adjustable resistance, so you can ramp up your workouts as you gain strength. Plus, the adjustable seat means you'll be able to find the perfect fit for your height. However, a few users mention that the build quality feels less durable than pricier options. But if you're just starting or have limited use, this bike is more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and want to test out indoor cycling. But if you're serious about long-term use, you might want to invest a bit more. To sum up, each bike has its strength, from the stability of the Merak to the budget-friendly ReLife. It really depends on your specific needs and what you're willing to invest in your fitness journey.
So there you have it, the top 5 indoor cycling bikes. Whether you're looking for stability, budget options, or advanced features, there's something here for everyone. Take your time, consider what fits your needs best, and happy cycling.